Let's check all of the accessories that comes with Realme Note 6T. And here's the phone. I have the box right here, but there's all of the accessories still inside. We can open it like this. Then inside, first thing is the cardboard, and inside of it you can find the case along with all of the instructions as well as the warranties and etc. So let's leave it on the side. There's everything in that card box empty. Then there's also the bottom of that cardboard. We can remove the phone plate, and then inside we can find the cable, and it's USB to USB-C cable, but there's no charger inside. So that is everything that this device comes with. I should also mention that there's the SIM card needle inside, but that is not something as important as let's say charger or cable.